Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Hikmah binti Osman and my metric number is 1710764. Currently, I am taking Econ 3150 Mathematical Economics Section 1 in International Islamic University, Malaysia. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the use of mathematics in auction theory. What is auction? Auction is a situation where a process of bidding of the goods and services take place, and those who become the highest bidder will obtain the goods and services. In auction, each people have different value on commodity that they have taken interest to. For example, bidder A, Ali, will view commodity A Rm 50,000 ringgit, but for bidder B, Charles, he might have different price in his mind for commodity A. Auction is like a game, and to win a game, we need a strategy. The most common strategy that always being used in auction are second price auction strategy and English auction strategy. In this video, I'm going to focus on second price auction strategy. Second price auction strategy or victory auction suggests that those who has the highest bid will win the goods and services, but the winner will pay the price of the second highest bid. To have a more clearer view about this strategy, let's use an example. Assume that there will be two players in the market. Player 1 as Isaac and player 2 as Noah. Isaac will be bidding B1 and Noah will be bidding B2. If Isaac bids higher than Noah, which is B1 higher than B2, Isaac will win the auction. But he will pay the bids that was put by Noah, which was B2. Remember that Isaac and Noah have different individual private valuation for each commodity. So let's denote that V1 is the value of Isaac and V2 is the value of Noah. We will demonstrate this using two scenarios and will be deriving the net payoff of the auction and the best responses for these two players in this scenario. First scenario is Isaac valuations V1s will be higher than Noah valuation V2. If Isaac put the bid higher than V2, which is B higher than V2, he will win the auction. Then he will be paying the amount of V2. So the net payoff is V1 minus V2 higher than 0. Why it is higher than 0? Because V1 value, which is Isaac valuation, is bigger than V2 Noah valuation. In this second scenario, Isaac valuation V1 will be lower than Noah valuation V2. If Isaac wants to win the auction, he needs to bid higher value than Noah value V2, but he still pay the amount of Noah value V2 as it is the second highest price. So the net payoff is V1 minus V2 lower than 0. Why it is lower than 0? Because V1 value is lower than V2 value. So the best response for Isaac is he needs to bid V1 if Noah bids V2. Meanwhile, best response for Noah is he needs to bid V2 if Isaac bids V1. From this, we can derive Nash equilibrium B1 equal to V1 for equation 1 and B2 equal to V2 for equation 2. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.